Financial Overview. PowerCentral is a Power BI application designed specifically for Business Central, making it easy and intuitive to analyze your financial data and create reports using predefined dashboards or custom queries. Over the next few minutes, I will demonstrate how to use PowerCentral's financial dashboards to analyze your financial data, uncover insights, identify patterns, and explore ways to enhance profitability. The Financial Overview dashboard provides a clear view of the current values and trends of key financial metrics, including revenue, cost of goods and services sold, expenses, and profits. We will begin by selecting the company and financial period to analyze. The graph displays the revenue trends and changes in its composition. You can also review the key performance indicators for each month. The second section of the Financial Overview dashboard focuses on the structure of assets and liabilities, showing how they have evolved over time. Both the trial balance and profit and loss reports provide insights into the financial performance of your company's operations. These reports can display data across all dimensions or be filtered by specific financial dimensions. A common use case is analyzing these reports by business lines. You can select a reporting period and a comparative period for analysis. Additionally, you can drill down into the figures to view a detailed breakdown at the operational level. The Budget Performance Report enables you to compare actual figures against budgeted amounts. You can select a specific account or group of accounts and choose a dimension to segment the report. For more in-depth analysis, ad hoc reporting can be utilized. Last but not least, the customers' and vendors' debt analysis reports are highly valuable. The dashboard enables you to break down debt by key dimensions, debt age, or currency. On the Liabilities Analysis dashboard, you can review your unpaid invoices grouped by debt age, currency, or vendor. Additionally, you can filter the data by any dimension defined in your Business Central setup. PowerCentral dashboards provide a convenient, accurate, and visual tool for analyzing your financial activities and results. For more detailed insights, you can leverage PowerCentral's ad hoc reporting functionality.